You're about to witness something that no luxury brand wants you to see. Behind that $38,000 Birkin bag is a very different story, one that begins not in Italy, but inside a Chinese leather factory, where a skilled worker is about to break down exactly what goes into making one of the most expensive bags in the world. And trust me, it's not just shocking, it's educational. I focus on providing valuable, practical and interesting information that can improve people's lives, plus I show whatever is cool, useful and unique. This man isn't just assembling handbags. He's been in the manufacturing game for years, and today he's pulling back the curtain on what it actually costs to produce a Birkin. From the leather, to the hardware, to the stitching. He names the material, the supplier and the price point. Let's roll the footage.
This Birkin bag at Hermes boutique will cost you 38,000 USD. But what is the real cost out of the factory? Today, I'm going to break it down in front of you, step by step. First thing first, Hermes only use the leathers from the 3 top-level suppliers. One is called Nuti from Italy. And the second is Hermes from Germany. And the third is Hermes from France. One piece of Togo leather, the same leather as this one, will cost 450 USD.
That's top-grain leather, not the cheaper split leather many assume is used. Notice how he even tells you where it's sourced. This isn't some knockoff operation. This is high-level craftsmanship that most buyers never even hear about.
And one piece of the leather is only enough to make one Birkin, okay? The thread. And of course, for Hermes Birkin, the thread is also the best top level. It's called fil à chinois from France. This is actually the Rolls-Royce in thread. For each bag, the cost is 25 USD. And then the hardware. See, this hardware is called 316 hardware. It's also known as the ocean stainless steel because it can withstand the erosion of seawater. It's the best stainless steel. For one piece of bag, the hardware will cost 150 USD. The edge oil. This edge oil is imported from Italy. It's called heat sealed edge oil. For each bag, it will cost 50 USD. The interior lining, it used lambskin imported from France. For each bag, the cost will be 100 USD. And also inside, there is a zipper from Riri brand. And the zipper for one bag is 10 USD. And then the cost of human resource. The French artisans is much more expensive than Chinese artisans. To finish one bag, the human resource cost will be 600 USD. The package, now this is not that expensive, it's 10 USD. So now to sum those up, the total cost will be 1,400 USD for one Birkin out of factory. But why Hermes will charge you 38,000 USD for one bag?
Right there, $1,395 total. Now think about that, from raw material to full assembly, that's it. Everything after this point, that's branding, perception, and markup. You just saw the truth straight from the source. This isn't just about a bag, it's about how stories are sold, how prices are justified, and how branding hides the real labor behind luxury. And if one factory worker can reveal this much, imagine what else we're not being told.
That's because more than 90% of the price is paid for its logo. But if you do not care about the logo, you just want the same quality, same material, you can just buy from us. Because for our bags, we use exactly the same material, same leather, same hardware, same edge oil. The only difference is, one, we don't have the logo, so we don't have to pay so much amount of money just for that logo. And second, our human resource is much cheaper. This is why this bag from our factory only costs you 1,000 USD, but even better quality and craftsmanship.
This channel is all about content that's both entertaining and educational. And occasionally you might even catch a special promotion along the way. So, if you're into real-world wisdom and eye-opening truths, this is just the beginning. Smash that like button if this changed how you see luxury brands. And don't forget to subscribe. Who can you trust anymore? When even the things we value most aren't what they seem, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. Find peace of mind with this mindfulness app.